What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Green Thumb Family. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am so excited for what's happening in this video because I am going to plant herbs and side plants in my raised garden area. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And it's kind of cool this time because I didn't go to like Lowe's and Home Depot to get my soil. This time I went to my local nursery and I picked up some soil that's already have fertilizer in it. And it's actually enough for like 9 months of feeding to the plant, so I'm giving it a try. I was just a little suspect when I saw it in trash bags. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm gonna give it a try because I trust the people there. The people were very informative, very helpful, and things like that. And I asked around to other people that I knew whether or not this was like suspect or not, and it was like, no, it's okay, so you can give it a try. I said, well, thank you, I will. And that's what I'm gonna do. And I also picked up a couple of mint plants. Look at that, look at that, look at that. 3. I have the chocolate mint, I have the regular spearmint, and then I have another kind of mint. I was like, wow, I didn't even know it was 3 kind of mints. So I had to get them all. Why not? I mean, I didn't even know. Didn't even know it was 3 minted options, but I got all 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and give those a try. And I picked up another plant too. I'm gonna show it to you. All right, look at this. Like, when I tell y'all this plant is amazing, it's called a Parisian Shield. Probably never heard of that before, huh? Parisian Shield. I found this at the nursery too. I'm so excited about that. I'm gonna plant this in the front yard though, so that one's not going to the back with me. I'm gonna just do it in the backyard, or excuse me, do it in the front yard right by the door because purple is one of my favorite colors. It happens to be my wife's favorite color and my daughter's favorite color actually too. It's just, it helps. Oh, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing, so I gotta save my mint. My mint tried to make a run for it. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the backyard, have some fun. You get to see me unbag this soil. This is not an unboxing, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill those out and get to the back and let's have some fun, right? Right? All right, let's do it. All right, beautiful people, so with my soil in the back, I am ready to go ahead and start filling these beds. I'm actually gonna start with the beds behind me. Just go ahead and put some soil in those bad boys, lay it out, get it all ready, because that's where I'm gonna have my sunflowers, my regular height sunflowers and the dwarf sunflowers that grow up to like 4 feet. And then in front of it, I'm gonna do like wildflowers where the pollinators can come and feast, and just come around the bed so they can, you know, do the so they can pollinate the cucumbers and other things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this soil out, get it ready, and then I'm gonna go to this bed here. Well, I'm gonna do my herbs in this bed. So those 3 first, and then this one, and we'll see what kind of soil we have left. You know, have some fun with it. Why not? All right, let's do it. As you can see, the beds are filled. I took a little break because I just started digging and started doing other things, and I started to fill that bed where the herbs will go. I'll probably have to get another bag of dirt from the nursery. I'm gonna go back there because the dirt is actually very good, and you can even see the fertilizing pellets in it. I'm not gonna worry about like capturing that because I'm sure you know what it looks like. And I can go ahead and finish out this bed, so I'll probably get 4 more bags, probably like 1.5 to go there, and then 2 to go there, So 2 plus 1, yeah, that's 4. I have a half a bag left that I can use for the next bed. So it's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plant these sunflowers. I have the long sunflowers. Let me just show it to you. Let me go ahead and get it out. All right, so I have my sunflower packs here. These are the dwarf sunflowers that I'm gonna use. Also picked up a colorful batch and a regular orange batch. There we go. Boom. So I have the trifecta. I'll put the top 2, boop, boop, on the back row. I'll put the bottom dwarf on the second row. And hopefully we have some sunflowers up here soon. Let's go ahead and plant them. Let's go ahead and get to the fun. I'm ready to do it because I have to go back to the nursery. So stop this video. I went to the nursery, however they were closed. They closed at 4, which was very early. Anyway, went to my Old Faithful Home Depot because I got to get this one finished. And I also went to the Dollar Tree and picked up some seeds. I picked up 4 packs, put them all in one with the idea that I'm gonna just put them like all together anyway. Like first row, boom, just knock those out. Knock out these herbs, put these mint, 3 varieties of mint. I'm gonna go ahead and plant those in the center. And I have some other herbs I'm gonna put in there as well. Probably do that tomorrow because of sunlight and all that good stuff. So anyway, let me do this soil, the planting over there, and then that'll be it for the day. Let's do it. You have 3 varieties of mint. The first one we have here is chocolate mint. The second one we have is mint. And the third one is like your peppermint, like the what you used to like minty fresh breath. That's that one there. So I have 3 varieties. I'm gonna get one more to put right there. That's why there's that gap. It will be filled. I'm gonna get another, probably another tall one, just to balance everything out. So yes, the mint is there. I'm gonna plant my other herbal seeds tomorrow. I'm gonna give everything a nice water down. I'm gonna go ahead and plant the plants right here, just the seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and knock those out now before it gets dark. But yeah, man, it was a productive day today, I must say, and I will be out tomorrow. All right, love you all. Go ahead and check out some other videos and subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know why you're waiting. We gotta grow together, all right? It starts with you subscribing, us growing. Comment below if you have a channel that I should check out too, and we can do this thing together, all right? Peace.